Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ya Rab, increase my knowledge. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Allah's name Al-Jabbar, its English meaning and its English explanation. English meaning is irresistible and its explanation. He is the King, the All-holy, the All-peaceable, the All-faithful, the All-preserver, the Almighty, the All-compeller. 59 Surat 23 Ayat. Allah is the one who obliges his creatures to do whatever he wishes. Man's will is granted by Allah, so he can act only with his permission. But you can't will except as Allah wills. 76 Surat 30 Ayat. Allah's will is imposed on all, and no will is imposed upon him. He shall not be questioned as to what he does, but they shall be questioned. 21 Surat 23 Ayat. It is prehensible to give the name of Jabbar to human beings. Jabbar applied to a man means a tyrant, but a tyrant is always brought down by Allah. So Allah sets the seal on every heart which is proud and arrogant. 40 Surat 35 Ayat. Frustration was the lot of every powerful, obstinate transgressor in front. Frustration was the lot of every powerful, obstinate transgressor. In front of such a one is hell. 14 Surat 15-16 Ayat. Jabbar also means the one who sets right the affairs of his creatures. He is the Lord of the universe who created me and himself guides me. And who created me and himself guides me and himself gives me food and drink. And whenever I am sick, heals me, who causes me to die, when brings me back to life. 26 Surat 78 to 81 Ayat. Frustration was the lot of every powerful, obstinate transgressor. In front of such a one is hell. 14 Surat 15-16 Ayat. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe and like to me. Thanks very much.